Hi folks, I haven't made a video in a while. I've got a few things on the go here today that I'm new to and I want to just try out. I've had to make a new bearing block and hearthboard. This is made out of eastern white pine, and this spindle is actually just an old, I think a painter's handle or a broomstick handle that I found, and I've just shaped it down. And it seemed to do quite alright. I made a decent coal out of it the other night, as you can see, but I just wanted to try it again and see if I can get this to work. And this is the first time I'm trying this out, so we'll just see how this combination works together. Hopefully there won't be a lot of smoke and squeaking, and hopefully we can get an ember out of this. Alright. Set this up. Alright, well I hope that's in shot. Let's see how we go here. Okay, so some kind of ember going here. Okay, so we're just transferring it to here. Alright, and bam, there we go. So that was pretty painless. Let's get some stuff on here. Okay, that's good to go. Alrighty. Alright, well while that catches up with itself, I just wanted to bring you back here. Let me just take this out of here. I got tired of, not being able to suspend my Stanley cooking pot over stuff. Most of the other pots are designed to be, they've got some kind of handle or carry points. So I came up with a chain with two specialized hooks on the end, which allows me now to suspend this over, fire. And this is actually the first time I'm testing it out. This is just a rough design, but so the mechanics are right. I just need to tidy up the actual components, make the hooks and things look better. But I say it's going to work, and I'm pretty happy about that. I've always wanted this option. Alright, folks, well that was just a quick video. I wasn't sure if the bow drill and all that was going to work, but it says worked fabulously. So yeah, I'll be back with some videos soon. I mean, with the virus going on, there's not much else to do. Alright, take it easy. Be safe out there.